Today we are going to make a short video on this problem, alright? It's a 1200 problem, and it's quite easy, but as Chakraborty mentioned, it's kind of hard to understand, right? So let's look at the examples here. So it gives us a number here. The number says the nonce of the following array. So it has 3 numbers in the following array, right? And so they have a pointer. And the pointer firstly pointed to the first fragment here, right? So here is the second fragment. So you should move from the first fragment to the second, right? So the distance is 1. And then you should move the pointer to the third fragment. So move to here, right? So the distance is 2. So overall, the distance is 1 plus 2 equals 3. So we output 3, right? And it's the same in the second example, right? We have 5 fragments, and the first fragment is here. The second is here, right? So the first moving distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The 3 is at the second position, so we move it here. So the distance is 1, 2, 3. So we add 3 into the final answer. Then we moved it to the 4th position, right? The distance is 2. Then we move to the 5th position, right? The distance is 1. So overall, the sum of the distance is 10. So we output 10 here, right? And the code is pretty straightforward. We read all the positions of the fragments, and we start from the first fragment, and then we move from last position to this actually should named last, right? So the current position is position I, and we calculate the distance between the current position and the last, and then we change the last to the current position, right? So it's better to name it last here, right? So we add all this distance into the final answer and eventually output the answer, right? Hope that will help you, man. Have a good day. Bye.